A home should be a place whereby you look forward to coming back, and the renovation also plays a part. Hi, I'm Shazwan. Welcome to my home. I engage Dream Home Concepts through Renopedia. My ID name is Simon. The theme is Modern Resort. I was at Simon's showroom and I came across this magazine. I told Simon I wanted this. I have 3 highlights of my home. One is my feature wall. The other one would be my hidden wall, or rather the hidden door. And then the last one would be my ceiling light. We call it the runway light. First will be the time frame of the project, and also the other will be the inspiration from the magazine. Firstly, it's because both of us can click very well. He advised me certain things that I shouldn't be going forward with. So I really appreciate that. All in all, I think communication and our click. I'm very satisfied with the outcome of my renovation project. And I will definitely recommend Simon and Dream Home Concepts to my friends and even my relatives also. Thank you for watching, and also not forgetting thank you to Simon from Dream Home Concepts. And lastly, check out renopedia.sg.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.